Let's create a digital clock like this in Excel. Select the cell where you want a clock and then write equal to now. Double click, close parenthesis. Now right click and then click on Format Cell. Click on Time and then select this one. Click on OK, and now let's format this cell. Let's change the font. Increase the font size. Change the fill color. And let's change the font color. Click OK. Now click on the Developer tab, Visual Basic, Insert, and Module. Now write this code. The code will be in the comment section. Close it. Click on Macros under the Developer tab and click on Run. Now your clock is running and you have just created a digital clock inside your Excel workbook. If you want to save this file, make sure you save it as xlsm format.